this left shoulder down a little. There you go. Perfect. Keep that shoulder down. Beautiful.
That was not quite as bad, right? Good.
That's not as stiff as last
No,
time
it's
either.
not grinding as much either. Good. See, once we start adjusting that AC joint when you're on your back like that, things will get better. This one's got more noise than the other one. There we go.
Very good. Relax right in here for me. Very good.
Go. Yes, ma'am. There's C3, 4, C5, 6, and then now moving down to T1. There you go. Okay, let's turn you on your back. That's
Oh. Oh. My God. Oh.
it. Yeah. It's tight right up here.
Go ahead, breathe it in all the way out. That's it. And here it goes, right here.
Oh, wow.
There it is.
Ready for a nap after this, huh?
Oh. Yes.
There we go. Okay, good deal. Relax this one. Good.
Oh.
Nerve pressure there. Alright, buddy. Alright, this is not going to be easy for you, mate. But I'll make it as gentle as I can.
I wish all my patients relax as much the first time. Good. D5 on this side. Okay. Right there. Good. Okay, we're gonna do it one more time, see if we can get a tiny bit more out of it. I'll take my time on this. Good. Nope, that's it.
And a bit more.
Oh, God.
And was that painful?
You want to keep your chin up and back all the time? No. There. That's it. That's it. Good.
Very good.
Sadece bir kütürt diye
Normal
ses
mi?
geldi.
Sesin
Tabii o
çıkması
ses
mı
çıkması
normal
lazım
peki?
zaten.
Peki.
Bu tarafa dengelemek için bakıyorum. Nefes al. Ver şimdi.
O.
Tamam.
Bir kütürt de oradan geldi.
Şimdi
İyi misin Art hocam? Elinizde
Yo, hiç
kalacak
merak
diye
etmeyin.
korkuyorum.
There we go. That's it. So Yolanda, what would you... There we go. Just keep breathing. There you go. The more you just breathe and relax when you get adjusted, the easier it goes. Okay, let's stand up here in front of them here, Benson.
Relax. Slowly. Yes. Yeah. Breathe slowly. Oh! Is that alright?
It's okay. Relax, relax, relax. You'll be fine after a few minutes.
Let me hold this.
Just be relaxed.
All you gotta do is breathe.
Yeah.
I feel less pain on the other side.
Good. I actually think even if you are a little bit hunched over, you're going to be able to walk a bit easier.
Oh yeah. Did you feel that all the way down? These of adjustments, the X, Y, and Z axes that gets results on people. I know I'm not supposed to talk when I'm adjusting so they can hear all the pop.
Half back. We're not going to use a lot of force here. This is called the Gonstead adjustment. It's a bit scary. Eh? Are you still with us?
Yeah.
Ah, well done. Eh? Drop into my right hand. Come back a little bit. How was that? Have you still got a pulse?
Pain.
Oh, look at
But it's
that.
fine.
Right here.